Siteground review, features, walkthrough, pros and cons. Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you struggling with slow websites, confusing hosting dashboards, or overpriced hosting plans that don't deliver? Well, today we're going to be doing a complete review of Siteground, one of the most popular hosting companies in the world. So we're going to break down features, real walkthroughs, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it is going to be worth using in this year. So if you want to get started with Siteground, make sure to check out the link provided in the description box down below. Now, what is Siteground? Siteground is a web hosting company that offers millions of websites worldwide. They're known for fast hosting, great uptime, beginner-friendly tools, and excellent support. This can be a top choice for WordPress sites, WooCommerce sites, portfolio and business websites, and even for agencies and freelancers. But let's break down what you actually get, not just the marketing. So when you're on Siteground, all you need to do is click on the link in the description and you can get started and proceed with Google or your email address to get started with account creation. Now, once you've created your account on Siteground, you're just going to log in by putting in your details. We're just going to sign up now, just like so. And from here, you're going to be led to their very simple page where you're going to decide what feature you're actually looking for, whether that is web hosting, WordPress hosting, or website building. So let's say we're looking for web hosting. So you can click on view plans and you will see different plans. Now, the best part about using SiteGround is that they have the best refund policies out of all web hosts that I have seen because they give you speed and performance. So SiteGround in its interface when it comes to web hosting or cloud hosting, they have Google Cloud Infrastructure and they have SSD storage, server coaching, CDN integration. So this means that your site loads faster, which improves the user experience, SEO, and conversions. Now, another really amazing thing that I really like is their free SSL certification for any plan, whether you're on their startup, whether you're on the Grow Big or Go Geek plan, you are going to get free SSL certification, AI-powered security monitoring, isolation between multiple accounts, automated updates, and free daily backups. So if your site gets hacked or breaks, you can restore backups easily. They have managed WordPress hosting dedicated for you as well. So if you're hosting for WordPress, this is going to be a breeze. You have automatic updates, built-in coaching, WP optimized stack, and security enhancement. And it still does a great job for content sites. The dashboard is clean, it has one-click installs, simple domain management, quick access to support, and easy email setup. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Anyone can get started with their simple onboarding process. Now, they're known for their fast support times and 24/7 live chat with a helpful knowledge base. So let's say that we want to get started with web hosting, or let's say we want to get started with website building. Now, this is a feature that is relatively new, so you can get started for as low as $4. I'm just going to proceed and then click on Get Plan over here. Once I do that, I can enter my pre-existing domain or my existing domain. Now, depending on the domain price, that's going to completely vary on what type of domain you're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for themidgemazel.com, and then I'm going to search for that domain and I can review and complete my information. If that domain is available for registration, the best deals I can get, the domain registration, domain privacy, site scanner, and more. So let's say I already have a domain. Then all I need to do is click on existing domain and I'm going to add this domain that I have. And then all I need to do is simply connect my domain and import my domain. So I would just have to put in my information. So I'm just going to enter my account information that I want to be using. We're just going to be creating a suitable password for our account. Then we're going to add our client information, city, like so. Then you're going to add your zip code and the rest of the information. Now, once you do that, you guys will see you have a few different options when it comes to your purchasing. You can purchase for 24 months, 12 months. Now, 12 months is giving us currently the best deal, or for 1 month. The pricing is going to vary depending on the domain you're purchasing or the plan that you are purchasing and the additional features like site scanners or anything else that you're doing. Once you do that, you can connect your domain and use their simple website builder. So you select your hosting plan and you can install any CMS like WordPress to configure your basic settings. It's fast even for beginners. And if you're just scouring around for domains, you can go into their domain section first and then find the domain that you like. Now, not only do they provide you with a large library of domains at a really low price, but they also give you performance tools. So they have built-in tools like dynamic coaching, object coaching, CDN, and image optimization. These tools help you make your site faster without any extra plugins. You can manage your security and backups with SSL setups, firewall settings, daily backups, restore points, malware scans, and this is especially useful if you're not technical. Now, which one is going to be the right plan for you? Because a lot of people are looking to get started, but they don't know whether they should go with their startup, grow big, or go geek plan. Well, the first thing you're going to note is pricing. So starting for $4, $7, and $11, you are going to be paying for some really core services on the startup, but these services or these features are the essentials. They are going to run a very nice site. They're going to run an amazing website. And if you have only one website and you're only doing this for your own website, you can opt for the startup plan. However, if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur that has more than one website that needs hosting, then the Grow Big plan provides a lot of value, and this is what I recommend for most entrepreneurs. Now, then you have the Go Geek plan. The Go Geek plan is more so for agencies, and I do reserve this plan as my recommendation only for agencies. When it comes to the feature level, Grow Big and Go Geek go neck and neck. So I do think that you get a lot of value, and prices might change later on. But when it comes to just the basic core features, other than web space, you're not going to find a lot of difference when it comes to usability on both of these plans. So I do think that if you're an agency, then the Go Geek plan might be worth it for you. But for individuals, the basic Grow Big plan is pretty decent. Now let's move into the pros and cons. They have excellent uptime, managed WordPress features, very good support, as well as automatic backup and security tools. It's easy and beginner friendly with CDN included. However, sometimes your renewal pricing can be pretty expensive. It's not going to be the cheapest hosting plan when it comes to renewal. And if you are someone that is on a tight budget and you want developer level hosting, then Siteground might not be the tool for you. So what's the final verdict? Well, this is a feature-rich, supportive, and beginner-friendly platform. The quality and reliability make it worth the price. So if you want hosting that just works, especially for WordPress, Siteground is the best tool for you. Now, if you want to get started with Siteground, make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below. And if you have any other questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more.